Question number 6. Prove that the length of latus rectum of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is 2b square by a. Solution. The latus rectum L dash of an hyperbola passes through AE, 0. Focus valiya pass agum. So here is a hyperbola diagram. Here focus AE, 0. This is a latus rectum L dash. L dash is a latus rectum. So we have to find out the length of this latus rectum. That is length of L dash we have to solve. So L is AE, b square by a because of L dash pass through AE, 0. So x coordinate AE, y coordinates b square by a. We have to solve for y coordinate. So L dash AE, minus b square by a. So here b square by a minus b square by a. We have to solve for this one. So this is the latus rectum. So length of latus rectum 2b square by a because of first quadrant part b square by a, fourth quadrant part b square by a. Totally length of latus rectum 2b square by a. L is AE, y1. First quadrant point L AE, y1. So we have to solve for y1. That is y1 equal to b square by a. We have to solve y1 value. Therefore x place la AE substitute பண்ணிருங்க. x square by a square இங்க y square by b square la y place la y1 substitute பண்ணிட்டோம்னா so abbreviating a square e square by a square minus y1 square by b square equal to 1. Here cancelling a square, what is remaining? E square minus y1 square by b square equal to 1. Next term, here is this plus 1 becomes minus on left side. This minus y1 square by b square equal to plus y1 square by b square. Cross multiplying y1 square equal to b square into e square minus 1. y1 square value. So we have the value for e square equal to 1 plus b square by a square. For the hyperbola formula e square value 1 plus b square by a square. That is e square minus 1 equal to b square by a square. The 1 and left side e square minus 1. So that e square minus 1 equal to b square by a square. So in the e square minus 1 எடுத்துட்டு b square by a square substitute பண்ண போறோம். So y1 square equal to b square into e square minus 1 value இங்க already solve பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். இத substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா b square by a square. So y1 square equal to b square. So b power 4 by a square. Taking square root y1 equal to plus or minus b square by a. b power 4 க்கு root எடுத்தீங்கன்னா b square, a square root எடுத்தா a. n points of latus rectum y1 நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டோம். So first quadrantல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கும் AE, y1. So y1 value b square by a. Plus or minus இருக்குது fourth quadrantல minus b square by a, first quadrantல plus b square by a. L AE, y1. y1 value b square by a. L dash AE, minus y1. This is fourth quadrant point. So AE, minus b square by a. So L dash சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டோம். Distance between two points. இது distance formula யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square அதோட length சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது இது ரெண்டு சேம்கா இருக்கறனால கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். இங்க b square by a, இங்க minus of minus plus b square by a. So length of latus rectum 2b square by a. So length of latus rectum is the distance between the points L and L dash. So L is a b square by a. L dash a minus b square by a. Length of latus rectum L dash equal to 2b square by a. This is a required answer. That's all.